Hey, Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to do a review and how-to on the NutriChef food vacuum sealer. So this is our second one. First one we had lasted 3 years, and the auto stop on the vacuum quit working, but it lasted 3 years. And this one we've had for several months now, and it's working great. And as you can see, we do use it a fair bit.
So it's got two modes, normal and gentle on the vacuum, and then it's got a dry or moist setting for your food. They're just touch buttons, and then you can just seal or you can vacuum seal, either one. But make sure that it is latched. It's can be difficult to latch.
All right, so what do you do to actually use it?
All right, so you have a roll. That's what I use.
I'll have links in the description.
Lay that over the sealer because you've got to seal the bottom of your bag. Make sure it's clipped closed. Press seal. Wait till the light goes out. There it goes.
So it's sealed that end of the bag.
It's sealed the end of the bag. There it is. Then you need to cut off however much you need for whatever food you're going to store. And you need to make sure you leave enough free at the top to fit over here. So you need about 2 inches extra at the top, so it'll fit into the vacuum chamber here. So we've got our food in the bag.
And it's labeled?
It is labeled. Don't forget to label it. Then you lay your bag across the top, make sure the end is in the vacuum chamber. Close it. Clamp it, and then this time we're going to hit vacuum seal, and it's pulling all the air out, and it should automatically stop when it's finished. So we're going to wait for it to finish sealing, and there we go, we are done. And if it's not sucking the air out, it means you don't have it latched properly.
And you date it, and you put what's in it.
Yep.
Awesome. So ours has been great. Highly recommend them, and hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.